What is up, y'all? What is up? It's your girl, Sweet Angel, and I'm here today. I'm pulling back the curtain to show you how I turn my YouTube channel into a profit-making machine. I'm serious. And guess what? YouTube is now on easy mode. Yeah. All you got to do is post videos of value. So grab your notebook and let's dive into what I'm talking about. Okay, let me tell you this.
When I first started, I had no idea YouTube could be so profitable. But the secret sauce, consistency and value, that I focused on content that solved problems, entertained, and educated my audience. Let me break it down for you step by step. I knew I had a passion for beauty, lifestyle, and product reviews, so I stuck to what I love. The key: pick something you're passionate about and that people are actively searching for. Solve their problems and they'll keep coming back. I always ask myself, what will my viewers gain from this? Whether it's a review, a tutorial, or just sharing my experiences, I make sure it's useful and engaging. YouTube is on easy mode when you focus on serving your audience. I stick to a schedule, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly uploads.
Staying consistent helps build trust with your audience, and it lets YouTube know you're serious. Let me say this. Monetizing. Look, here's where the magic happens. YouTube has multiple revenue streams. Ad revenue. Google pays for views.
Yep, cha-ching. Affiliate marketing. I share products I love with my audience, and when they buy through my links, I earn a commission. Sponsorships. Brands reach out when they see your value, so stay consistent and professional. Y'all, building a community is everything. Reply to comments, ask questions, and make your viewers feel valued. The more engagement, the more YouTube pushes your videos. Use searchable titles, keywords, and descriptions. Tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ help find what people are searching for. I make sure my videos are easy to find, and you should too. Listen, YouTube is really on easy mode. Stop overthinking. Stop waiting for perfection. Just post videos of value and watch your channel grow. So there you have it, my step-by-step guide to turning YouTube into a profit-making machine. If I can do it, so can you. If you found this video helpful,
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep shining. You got this.
I've walked through shadows, felt the weight of the night, carried my doubts, barely holding the light. But I've learned to love the cracks in my soul. They let the sunlight in, help me feel whole. No more hiding, no more shame. I found strength in my own name. Through the fire, I've been refined. Now I know this heart is mine. I am enough, just as I am. Strong like the river, steady as the land. I've been through storms, but I'm still standing tall. I am enough, I've got it all. These scars on my skin tell a story of grace. Every tear I've cried brought me to this place. I don't need approval, no mirrors, no lies. The truth lives within me, it's been there all the time. unshaken, unbreaking. I am enough just as I am, bright as a star.